Hi guys, namaste. Welcome to Nile Mentions. Before getting into the video, do the subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you so much. Hope you all are doing fine. Okay, so today I have with me a facial kit, and this is from the brand Nature's Essence. This has a 5-step procedure and this retails for 260 rupees. Nature's Essence is quite a well-known brand, and this brand basically deals with skincare products, and their products are a mixture of science and nature. Now if I have to talk about this kit, this retails for 260 rupees, and if you go to a reputed salon or parlor and if you want to get a diamond facial done, that will cost you approximately 3000 to 4000 because diamond facials are expensive. But this just retails for 260 rupees, and this is a 3-use pack, so just one facial will cost you around 80 rupees. And doing a facial at home is not difficult at all. It's a very easy procedure, just you need to have the right products, and the 5 products inside this kit will do your job. And also this claims for skin that's diamond white, diamond bright. Okay, so inside this kit these are the 5 steps. For the first time, Nature's Essence has introduced a detan therapy, and this is a pre-facial kind of a routine which you have to do it on your face, obviously, and you have to apply this on your face and neck and keep it for 15 minutes and then wipe it off with a wet cloth. This will actually detan your face and make your face ready for the facial procedure. So let's just see a demo of this side by side. After the detan therapy, this is the first step, and this is cleanse. This is basically a scrub which you have to apply on wet face. Just rub in circular motion and wipe it off after 2 to 3 minutes. This is the second step, and this is a cream. This is a diamond shine brightening diamond cream, and you have to just massage your face gently by using this cream. The third procedure, and this is a diamond face pack, and you have to apply it on your face and you have to let it dry. You have to keep it for 15 minutes or till it's completely dry, and then wash it off. So this is basically the fourth step, and this is a polish cream, and you have to apply this cream on your face, massage it gently, let the cream penetrate deeply into your skin, and let the magic begin. So you saw my face was looking quite nice and radiant after using this face pack, as you saw, and this is really good. No irritation, nothing, no redness or anything. This is a very safe to use kind of a kit. I tried it and I personally liked it a lot, and the entire process won't take more than 45 minutes. I believe that you should at least try this once, just for 260 rupees. Just give it a try and just see how good this is. You can use this 3 times, and I used it once, but I think the quantity is quite enough. Like, I can use this more than 3 times, I suppose. So yeah, I will definitely suggest you to buy this and try this. This is really very good. So that was it. Check the link in the description box, that will directly take you to the product. It will be easier for you to find it. And in case you are getting married or you have to attend a function or anything, I would suggest you to try the diamond facial kit, because this really adds a nice glow to your face, as you saw in the video demo section. Okay, so that was it. I'll see you guys next time with some another product. Until then, you guys please take care, and I love you all.